Steel floor systems are defined as the type of building structure that uses steel beams and joists to support the floor. Steel floor systems are known for their strength, durability, and fire resistance. They are also relatively lightweight, which can make them a good choice for buildings in seismically active areas. Steel floor systems can be easily adapted to different building designs, and they can be used to create larger open floor plans with few interior columns. They offer a number of advantages over other types of floor systems, including speed of construction, cost savings, and flexibility. Steel floor systems form the backbone of modern architecture due to their exceptional strength and durability. They are commonly used in constructing high-rise buildings, ensuring stability and safety. Their versatility also extends to industrial facilities, where heavy loads demand robust support structures. In residential complexes, steel floors provide both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity, making them a preferred choice. Steel floor systems are classified based on several criteria, primarily focusing on material composition, design strategy, and structural performance. One key aspect of classification involves the integration of various materials to enhance structural properties. For example, hybrid systems combining cold-formed steel with timber or concrete are prevalent due to their composite performance and improved load-bearing characteristics. Another classification is based on the optimization of structural components like beams and decks. We discussed the classification of floors based on structural requirements and design considerations. The one-way I-beam steel floor system is a structural concept in which I-beams, characterized by their I-shaped cross-section, are used to support floors by connecting directly between steel columns. The one-way I-beam steel floor system offers several advantages, including its simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and ability to accommodate long spans. This system is particularly well suited for buildings with regular column grids and where consistent floor depth is desired. The floor slab, usually made of concrete, is supported by the flanges of the I-beams. The one-way system is efficient and economical for buildings where loads are predominantly in one direction. It's often used in rectangular buildings, ensuring streamlined and speedy construction due to the straightforward beam-to-column connections. The figure below on the left illustrates the different parts of the I-beam section, specifically the web and flanges. You can see the left side plan illustrating the one-way steel floor system, with the right side section showing joist widths from 3 inches to 18 inches. Spacing between the two joists ranges from 6 feet to 15 feet. Floor depth can range from 4 inches to 36 inches, or 3 feet. These beams can be customized in size and strength to meet specific project requirements, allowing architects and engineers to optimize building designs and make systems adaptable to various architectural needs. Two-way slab system. Two-way steel floor systems are an advanced structural approach where the floor slab is designed to transfer loads in two directions, usually supported by beams that run perpendicular to one another. This configuration often includes the use of secondary intermediary beams, which not only help in uniformly distributing loads but also allow for an increased depth in the floor system. Two-way steel floor systems are fascinating due to their integration of materials and their performance across various conditions. By effectively dispersing the forces over a broader area, two-way systems enhance structural integrity and allow for larger spans between columns. This design is particularly advantageous in large buildings, offering flexibility in layout, improved load carrying capacity, and enhanced resistance to dynamic forces like earthquakes. Two-way floor systems reduce seismic-induced accelerations and drifts, enhancing the building's resilience to earthquakes. Two-way steel floors are constructed in a range of sizes with spacing between 6 feet and 15 feet around 183 cm to 457 cm, and typical spans between 20 feet and 32 feet, or 61 cm to 975 cm. Two-way steel floors have system depths between 8 inches and 72 inches, or 203 cm and 183 cm, and beam sizes range from 4 inches to 36 inches. Three-way steel floor systems encompass a unique structural design that integrates beams running in two perpendicular directions, with an added layer of open web joists beneath them. This design amalgamates the benefits of a two-way system with the versatility of open web joists. The beams provide support and distribute loads efficiently in two directions, while the open web joists enhance the depth. The open web joists create space for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, facilitating installation and maintenance. This combination results in a highly efficient flow system that allows for longer spans, greater load carrying capacity, and flexibility in layout design, making it suitable for complex and large-scale construction projects. These systems effectively redistribute loads even without specific designs against progressive collapse, demonstrating resilience in maintaining structural stability. The increased flow depth and the presence of multiple structural elements help in slowing down heat transfer and reducing sound transmission between levels. Three-way steel floors are constructed in a range of sizes with spacing between 6 feet and 15 feet and typical spans between 12 feet and 100 feet. Three-way steel floors have system depths between 1 foot 4 inches and 12 feet with a beam size range between 4 inches and 36 inches. The versatility of three-way steel floors extends to their adaptability in various building types, from commercial and industrial structures to high-rise residential complexes. One-way steel slabs transfer loads primarily in one direction, using parallel beams or joists. Two-way steel slabs distribute loads in two perpendicular directions, often utilizing a grid of beams. Allows for larger column free spaces and better load distribution. Three-way steel slabs incorporate an additional layer of open web joists beneath the two-way beam system, providing enhanced structural depth, greater load capacity, and improved flexibility for integrating building services.